Greetings, my name is Hisham and I'm a user of the Grayns rice cooker. A little bit about myself. I am a one kidney person and I'm also a recent diabetic, so I'm very sensitive to what I eat. And I find that Grayns rice cooker has reduced my blood sugar whenever I eat it as compared to normal rice. So as for the taste also, it gives the rice a lighter taste. So I really think it's good for you. If you are looking to watch your weight and if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels, I really recommend using Grayns rice. As far as using the Grayns rice cooker, it is quite idiot-proof. It's just as simple as being able to switch it on. The only technical matter that you have to worry about is that you have to wash it a certain way. But that is only one extra step, and that's it. Once you put all the components into place, it's just a matter of just switching it on. So I don't see any problem with anyone. As far as my family, all of us are very happy with the Grayns rice because the rice does taste light and it's very easy to use. So we have no problems with the Grayns rice.